Want to start using Dola AI to manage your schedule, generate text, and boost productivity? Yeah. The first step is creating your account. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Dola AI account quickly and easily in 2026. First, open the Dola AI sign-up page in your browser, or open the messaging app where Dola AI works. Look for a button that says Sign Up or Create Account. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique, includes uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, something you can remember but hard for others to guess. Check the box to agree to Dola AI's terms of service and privacy policy. It's important to understand how your data is handled. After signing up, Dola AI will send a verification email. Open your inbox, including spam if necessary, and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your email is verified, return to the login page, enter your credentials, and sign in. Now your account is ready to use. For extra productivity, sync your calendar or connect apps like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or messaging platforms. This step is optional, but it helps Dola AI manage your schedule more efficiently. Finally, explore Dola AI's features, schedule events, generate text, set reminders, or ask for ideas. The more you explore, the faster you'll get comfortable using it. And that's it. Open the sign up page, enter your email and password, verify your email, log in, optionally sync apps, and start exploring. Following these steps gets your Dola AI account up and running in no time.